Hi, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to set up Tatsu Discord and how you can quickly add and configure the bot on your server. Step 1. Add Tatsu to your server. Go to Tatsu GG in your browser, click Add Tatsu, choose your server, and then click Continue and Authorize to allow the bot. Step 2. Check permissions. Open your Discord server settings, go to Roles, and make sure the Tatsu role is above the roles it needs to manage so it can work correctly. Step 3. Open the Tatsu dashboard. On tatsu.gg, open your server dashboard to change settings like leveling, rank cards, and currency features. Step 4. Manage modules. In the Modules section, turn on or off features such as moderation, leveling, or economy based on what your server needs. Step 5. Test the bot. Go to a text channel and type simple commands like t.rank or t.daily to make sure Tatsu is responding properly. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.